Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of registering for a MassMutual life insurance policy. Whether you're looking for a term policy or a permanent one, we've got you covered with this step-by-step guide to ensure you get started quickly and efficiently. Step 1. Determine your insurance needs. Before you begin the registration process, assess your financial situation and determine how much coverage you need. Consider factors such as your debts, family expenses, and long-term goals. Step 2. Visit the MassMutual website. Go to the MassMutual official website. You'll find comprehensive information on the various types of life insurance policies they offer, as well as details about their benefits and features. Step 3. Explore policy options. Navigate to the life insurance section on the website. Review the different types of policies available, such as term life, whole life, and universal life, to see which one suits your needs best. Step 4. Get a quote. Once you've selected a policy type, use the online quote tool available on the website. This will help you understand the costs involved based on your age, health, and coverage requirements. Step 5. Fill out the application. After receiving your quote and deciding on a policy, it's time to fill out the application. MassMutual provides an online application option for your convenience. Make sure to have your personal information and any relevant documentation, such as medical history, handy. Step 6. Undergo medical underwriting. Depending on the type of policy and the amount of coverage you are applying for, MassMutual may require a medical exam. They will guide you through this process, which can usually be scheduled at your convenience. Step 7. Review your policy. Once your application is approved, you will receive your policy documents. Take the time to carefully review your policy, ensuring all information is correct and meets your expectations. Step 8. Make your first payment. To activate your policy, you will need to make your first premium payment. This can often be done online via the MassMutual website, ensuring a smooth transition into coverage. Step 9. Set up a profile. After registering, consider setting up an online account with MassMutual. This will allow you to manage your policy, make payments easily, and access any additional resources provided by the company. Thank you for following our quick guide on how to register for a MassMutual life insurance policy. If you found this information helpful, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more useful content.